Today is going to be a hot day, so I thought I would try making some more sun tea this year. This time I've decided to go with our Silver Moonlight white tea. Just got an old jar here that had some artichokes in it before. It's all cleaned out now, and I'm just going to use it to make my tea. So it's quite a large jar. I've actually used about 3 grams of tea, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pour some cold water onto it. So this is about 1 litre of water. I'm probably going to need a bit more actually, because it's quite a large jar. So that's filled it about halfway. So the reason I've chosen Silver Moonlight white tea to do today is because it's quite a light tasting tea. It's got a sweet flavour to it. It's got like an almond flavour. I think it would come out really nice, just being warmed gently by the sun. And that's what we're going to do today. So I just need to find the best place to put my Silver Moonlight white tea so that it gets sun for the rest of the day. So actually I think I'm going to put it next to my cacti here. I tend to put my cacti on the lawn to just get a bit of sunshine. So I'm just going to leave it here so it has direct sunlight all day. It will need to be for at least 5 to 6 hours. So I'll come back to you later. She just laid it on the grass like this so that it can actually get more of the sunshine. So we'll see what it looks like in a few hours. I have brewed my white tea. As you can see, the colour's changed significantly. It feels really warm to touch, and I can't wait to try it. I might actually put it in the fridge and make it cold. So guys, this is my sun tea, and I'm just going to strain it off so I can actually put it in the fridge. As you can see, the leaves have got a bit dark from being outside in the sunshine and from brewing. I can really smell the sweet notes on this white tea. And the kind of almond flavours. Just so you know, I've had about 3 different costume changes today. Basically, I've been cutting my lawn, I've had a driving lesson, I've had lots done today. So I've been in and out of different clothes, so it is the same day today. Now, let's give this a try. It's nice. There's no bitterness at all because there's not been actual proper heat apart from the sun to warm it up. I can taste the sweet notes. It's just a lovely aftertaste. It's really good.